Have you ever stared at your crypto portfolio wondering, is this the moment? That split second when you question if you should hold, sell, or double down, it's a feeling every crypto investor knows all too well. The stakes feel higher when it comes to Shiba Inu, a coin that's captured imaginations and headlines alike. For Shiba Inu holders, that question is more relevant than ever. The community is buzzing and the anticipation is almost electric. Everyone wants to know, is SHIB about to make its next big move? The crypto market is buzzing, but SHIB's story goes beyond price charts. It's about transformation and strategy. It's about a project that's evolved from a meme into a serious contender, with a growing ecosystem and a passionate community driving it forward. Whether you're new to the SHIB army or a seasoned holder, you're witnessing a pivotal shift. The landscape is changing and SHIB is at the center of it all, drawing attention from both retail investors and major players in the crypto world. Bitcoin may be leading the charge, but SHIB is making its own waves with major ecosystem developments. From new partnerships to innovative projects, SHIB is proving it's more than just a meme coin. It's a force to be reckoned with. Understanding these changes is crucial for every investor. The crypto space moves fast, and staying informed can make all the difference between catching the next wave or missing out entirely. Here at Crypto Insider, we believe knowledge is your best asset. We're here to break down the noise, analyze the facts, and help you make sense of what's really happening. So, what's really happening with Shiba Inu, and why does it matter right now? Is this just another hype cycle, or is there something fundamentally different this time around? Picture the crypto market as a rising tide. SHIB isn't just floating, it's been upgraded to harness this momentum. The project's recent upgrades and community initiatives are positioning it to ride the next big wave. The team has reinforced the project's foundation, setting it apart from other meme coins. With a focus on utility, security, and long-term growth, SHIB is building something that could last. We'll break down the recent price action, the real drivers behind it, and what makes this rally different. Is it just speculation, or are there real fundamentals at play? From leadership moves to on-chain data, we'll connect the dots for you. We'll look at the numbers, the news, and the narratives shaping SHIB's future. This isn't about hype, it's about understanding the opportunity. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make smart decisions in this fast-moving market. The journey from meme to movement is entering a new chapter. SHIB is evolving, and those who pay attention now could be the ones who benefit most in the future. Let's dive in and see why this moment could be critical for every SHIB holder. Stay tuned, because what happens next could redefine the future of Shiba Inu and your portfolio. The numbers are impossible to ignore. SHIB's price chart is lighting up screens everywhere, and the buzz is growing louder by the minute. SHIB's recent surge has everyone talking. From crypto veterans to first-time investors, the excitement is palpable across social media, news outlets, and trading communities. But a price spike is just noise without context. It's easy to get swept up in the headlines, but what really matters is what's happening beneath the surface. The real story is in the trading volume. Massive, sustained, and signaling genuine momentum. This isn't a flash in the pan. It's a sign that something bigger is brewing. This isn't just whales moving the market. It's a broad wave of retail and institutional interest. Everyday investors and big players alike are jumping in, creating a powerful force. High volume means stability and real demand, not just fleeting hype. When you see this kind of activity, it suggests that SHIB is earning a place in portfolios, not just riding a trend. SHIB's rally is happening alongside a booming crypto market, thanks to Bitcoin's run. As Bitcoin breaks new ground, it's lifting the entire market with it. As profits from Bitcoin flow into altcoins, SHIB's brand and community make it a top choice. Investors are looking for the next big thing, and SHIB's story stands out. Think of it like a blockbuster movie drawing crowds to the theater. Everyone wants in. The anticipation and demand are building, and the energy is contagious. SHIB's performance has even outpaced many peers, hinting at unique catalysts. It's not just following the market, it's leading in its own right. The combination of market momentum and internal growth is setting the stage for a potential long-term trend. This could be the beginning of a new chapter for SHIB. For holders, understanding this dynamic is key. It's about more than just watching the price, it's about recognizing the forces shaping SHIB's future. It's not just about price, it's about the foundation being built. Every surge, every dip is part of a bigger story of growth and resilience. Let's look at what's fueling this rally from the inside. The real drivers go beyond the charts. Let's dive into the innovation, the community, and the vision powering SHIB's rise. A project's strength comes from its vision and leadership. Shiba Inu's evolution from meme to utility is driven by clear direction from Satoshi Kusama and the team. Strategic partnerships and real-world integrations are turning SHIB into a serious player. The Shibarium Layer 2 network is making the ecosystem faster and more scalable. The community is shifting from speculation to active participation in governance and development. This synergy between leadership and the SHIB army is fueling sustainable growth. SHIB is no longer just a meme. It's a movement with purpose. That's the real power behind the recent momentum. The average holding period for SHIB is rising, and that's a big deal. It's not just a statistic, it's a signal that the community is maturing. When people choose to hold on to their SHIB for longer, it shows a shift in mindset from chasing quick profits to believing in the project's long-term vision. Longer holds signal growing trust and a shift from quick flips to long-term belief. Investors are no longer just speculators, they're becoming true participants in the ecosystem, willing to weather ups and downs for the promise of future growth. Like homeowners in a stable neighborhood, diamond-handed holders invest in the ecosystem's future. They're not just looking for the next big pump, they're building roots, supporting development, and helping SHIB become more than just a meme. This reduces volatility and creates a supply shock. Less SHIB on exchanges means more potential for price surges. When coins are locked away in wallets, sudden sell-offs become less likely, and the market becomes more stable. The trend reflects confidence in leadership, utility, and the evolving narrative. It's a sign that people believe in the team's vision and the real-world use cases being developed for SHIB. SHIB is being seen less as a lottery ticket, more as digital real estate. People are starting to view their holdings as assets to nurture and grow, not just gamble with. The foundation for lasting value is being laid by those willing to hold through the noise. These holders are the backbone of the community, providing stability and resilience even when the market gets turbulent. Watch the holding period. It's the market's quiet vote of confidence. Every extra day someone holds SHIB is a testament to their belief in what's being built. The story is shifting from hype to substance. The narrative is evolving, and the focus is now on real progress, partnerships, and utility. That's what sets SHIB apart right now. It's not just about the price, it's about the growing conviction of its holders, and the community's commitment to building something that lasts. Security is the backbone of trust in Web3, and Shiba Inu is doubling down. The team's focus on privacy and advanced cryptography is building a digital fortress for users. Audits and partnerships with top security firms show SHIB's commitment to a professional-grade ecosystem. Identity solutions in Shibarium are pioneering self-sovereign identity, control your data, access services, stay secure. This isn't just about today's price, it's about building a platform for the next decade. A secure, innovative ecosystem attracts users, developers, and value. SHIB is evolving from a token to a gateway for the digital future. Security is the quiet catalyst for long-term growth. Bitcoin's rally is the tide lifting all crypto boats, and SHIB is riding that wave. Institutional adoption and positive news are fueling a risk-on environment. As capital flows into Bitcoin, altcoins like SHIB become the next stop for investors seeking returns. SHIB's massive community and brand recognition make it a prime candidate for this influx. But internal developments are helping SHIB decouple from Bitcoin's shadow. Real utility and a strong ecosystem mean SHIB can show strength even in choppy markets. It's not just following the leader, it's building its own path. That's how SHIB stands out in the altcoin crowd. The future is bright, with major catalysts on the horizon for SHIB. The upcoming Bitcoin halving could trigger another powerful bull run, historically followed by altcoin surges. SHIB is poised to benefit as capital rotates into strong community projects. Watch for Shibarium's full rollout, new partnerships, and token burns. Each could spark the next rally. Staying informed is essential. The crypto market moves fast. Engage with the community, ask questions, and keep learning. The story of Shiba Inu is still being written, and active holders shape its future. Don't just watch, participate. The next chapter could be the most exciting yet. Are you ready for what's coming? And